Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Tarmizi bin Abdul Razak. My register number is 11DK20F1041. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nizam bin Ibrahim and my meeting number is 11DKA20F1055. And
Traffic management is defined as the management of the physical and cost control phases of the receiving, handling, storing, and distributing of goods for industrial and commercial organization. Traffic management is often used to describe the adjustment process of the usage of road system and transportation to fulfill the specific objective without any road construction needed. Traffic management includes the techniques that are used to make the movement of goods and human easier by using the existing road and direct road uses towards a safer and more efficient use of other existing infrastructures. Before highway is open to traffic, careful thought must be given to conveying to drivers information concerning its proper use. Such information is given traffic control devices. Engineers must also recognize that despite their best efforts to promote well-designed traffic control systems, vehicles will occasionally go out of control and possibly crash. Every effort must be made to prevent traffic accidents from occurring, and if they failing that, injuries and economic losses from those crashes will be occur. Okay, let's go to the next one. Do you know what is road accidents? Okay, road accident is a tragedy that affects all people, whether as drivers, passengers, or pedestrians. Term accident, according to the Dewan Bahasa and Pustaka, means an unexpected event occurs. Accident rate in Malaysia is increasing and disturbing our society today. Road accidents occur in many places, no matter straight road, crossroads, traffic lights, and roundabouts. Road accidents occur on a daily basis, whether a minor injury or casualties. Usually, there are three factors that causing road accidents. The first one is human factor. The factors are factors of vision, hearing, comfort, fatigue, and emotional drivers. Number 2, hasty attitude and selfish. Number 3, driving while intoxicated, unreal, or sleepy. Number 4, interfere with driver attention. And the last one is pedestrians do not obey the traffic rules. The second one is vehicles factor. The factors are vehicles defect. It is including electronic functions, faulty tires, and brakes. Number 2, capacity against skidding. And number 3 is acceleration and deceleration of the vehicle. The last one is environment factor or road condition factor. The factors are also known as road condition and weather factors. The factors are weather factors include fogs or mist, rain, frost, blizzard, and so on. The number 2 is road conditions include poor surfacing, sharp turns, rolling pace signage. Okay, the next one is functions of traffic management. The functions are to ease traffic congestion. Number 2, enhance road safety. Number 3, improve traffic flow. Number 4, improve the transportation of people and goods. Number 5, reduce the impacts of traffic on the environment. And number 6, create a balanced modal split. Okay, the next one, purpose of traffic management. The purpose are to reduce the number of accidents. Number 2, ensure the smoothness of traffic movement. Number 3, improve the movement of goods and humans. Number 4, balance the modal split. Number 5, minimize the clash between vehicles and pedestrians. Number 6, control and manage car parks. And the last one is reduce the conflict of the movement of traffic. Okay, the next topic is about traffic management, physical management of road system. There are 12 physical management of road system. The first one is separation of traffic movement. Number 2, junction improvement. Number 3, geometry of local area improvement. Number 4, physical detention of traffic movement. Number 5, changing of level, texture of surface and alignment for speed control purpose. Number 6, introduce the coordination of phase traffic control. Number 7, modification of traffic sign and road sign. Number 8, provision of public transport facilities. Number 9, provision of facilities for pedestrian and cyclists. Number 10, modification of landscape and road tools. Number 11, car park control. And the last one is meter ramp. Okay, I will highlight the two last one. The first one is Carpark Control. Okay, the Carpark Control is always highly charged for park to reduce the number of vehicles to enter the urban area. Number 2, the volume of traffic in urban area can be reduced. Number 3, the balance between the request to the park the car and the ability of provision car park must be created. The next one, meter ramp. Ramp metering is designed to control the rate of traffic entering a freeway. The objective is to maintain a predetermined level of service on the freeway by adjusting the on-ramp traffic volume with a traffic signal. Typical waiting times at ramp metering signals are between 5 to 6 seconds per vehicle. Okay, limit the number of vehicles to enter the highway in certain time. Number 2, using the traffic light on every entrance to highway. Number 3, if there's no traffic jams on that place, vehicles are allowed to enter the road. The last one, if there's traffic jam, traffic will block for some times. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is about instruction form and traffic regulation management. There are many instruction form and traffic regulation management. There are 6. The first one is traffic control. Number 2, turning movement barriers. Number 3, one-way street. Number 4, limiting vehicle speed. Number 5, tidal flow method. And number 6, road marking. Okay, the first one, traffic control. Control using a traffic light at the intersection. Number 2, limiting the use of the road to certain vehicle types according to weight criteria, the speed and size of the vehicle. Number 3, limiting and controlling parking. Number 4, temporary regulations due to festivals, sports, and other. The last one is regulation without strict enforcement will not achieve effective traffic management. Okay, the next one about turning moving barriers. Right and left turn movements can affect the smooth right and is one of the causes of accidents. Number 2, placing road barriers can help divert traffic into the correct lane and to prevent collision between vehicles and dangerous obstacles.
And the technique is one-way street. So from the one-way street, we can improve traffic flow around the city, especially when the road network in the area has a network of road and cut parallel to each other at right angle. Then technique can increase the capacity of one-way street, several roads in the road network, and reduce the range of the change in flow at the intersection. And by converting two-way road to a one-way path, conflict points will substantially reduce. Then our next is limit vehicle speed. So from the limit vehicle speed, we can reduce the number of accident and their gravity when the vehicle speed is reduced. Then the type of speed limits, we can show reasonable speed limit according to the road conditions. Then ultimate speed limit, set the highest and lowest speed limit allow rate 80%. The recommended speed limit recommend the apparent speed limit to the driver, not used on the curve. So we can see the picture board warning about limit vehicle speed like 110 km per hour or 19 km per hour. The tidal flow method. So the more city experience regular morning and evening rush, during working days we increase the usage of private vehicle travelling back and forth to work. This will cause underutilization during off-peak hours and over-utilization during peak hours in relate to the width of the road. Tidal flow method, or we can short the name is TFM, is a traffic control method which opens and closes lane on roadway according to priority to of traffic direction. Traffic marking is an object or device, whether fixed or movable, or liners or marks on the road. This notation is used to provide information, requirements, restrictions, or prohibitions on road users. It includes street signs, traffic signals, road surface marking, road studs, and so on. The detailed description can be referred to Road Marking Technical Instruction Street 2A per 85 Standard Traffic Sign. Instruction Techniques Path 2B per 85 Traffic Sign Application. Instruction Techniques Path 2C per 85 Temporary Road Sign and Control Zones. Instruction Technique Path 2B per 85 Road Working and Delineation. So for the road marking, also we can reduce the accidents for the person who drive a car or motorcycle, or the people walk on the road. The next slide is management of information to all users. We have 3 information to all users. So the first is traffic direction sign, and then traffic control, and lastly high occupancy vehicle. So for the traffic direction sign, by definition it includes roadside sign, traffic sign, road marking, road start, bounce back, and other indicators on the upper side down the roadway. For the control traffic road, by definition it includes roadside sign, traffic signs, roads marking, road start, bounce back, and other indicators on the upper side down the roadway. So the control traffic road and the traffic direction signs, the division is same. And the lastly, high occupant vehicle campaign program, HOV. So the HOV, high occupant vehicle campaign program, incentive to use public transport or car share can be increased through increasing the incentive for motorists. And the car with many passengers on the road should get priority so that they can save time and money, particularly during peak period. Passenger vehicle will be personally liable to the penalty that they would find it too long to get to any destination. And lastly, to achieve this objective, a special lane for the cars with many passengers have.
Alright, now we go to management of payment for traffic facilities. So we have 4 here, which is license additional area, parking management, appreciation blockade, and physical barrier. For basically management of payment, we have the license additional area, which is we have toll. So basically, for all these thing, we use to first thing first, use it for our maintenance for our for the road, and then basically every single of this part are using to make sure the road are managed, although there's going an accident or anything toward the road. So such physical barrier we use to um, protect the accident area, to make sure the traffic are going smooth without disturb. And also about the parking management, they used to have um, a certain amount to make sure the volume of user is manageable. Now we're gonna see what kind of accident happened in Malaysia, in road in Malaysia. So first, there we have an ugly accident claim, life of teenager bikers. So basically, the rider had an accident, and then both two are showing the accident of car, which is include of teenagers and resident of Tanjung Malim. Alright, next slide. We have other article that I take from Harian Metro, which is show accident happen on pavement on road. So first we have the 8th child, a mountain lead in Malaysia highway accident, and then we have accident including 11 vehicle. And then we have Ajal Bantu Mangsa Kemalangan, which is someone just include an accident uh, during the time that he wanted to help other victim. So basically, all these kind of accident happen without we knowing, and basically, it's related to how road manage and how the environment of the road are give to user. And basically, it's not all about the road management, but it's all about how the user use the road properly. And regarding to the uh, term. Alright, now we go to the next slide, which is show the MIRAS report. Okay, MIRAS is Institute Kajian Kemalangan Jalan Raya Malaysia, MIRAS. So basically, the MIRAS show the comparison of road user category for fatal cases for year 2019 and 2020. So we can see here mm, how the data from 2019 between 2020. So we can see here there are lot of decrease from 2019 and 2020. We go to the next slide. The next slide show the comparison of injury categories for 2019 and 2020. So for the injuries, we have several category, which is fatal, severe injury, light injury, and for the total. So basically, from 2019 and 2020, we can see the injuries increase from 15,044 to 17,236 cases. So for Malaysia rate date from 1985 to 2017, we can see the graph here, which is show how all the numbers going to decrease, and we target to have 4,634 cases for upcoming years, and hopefully for the management can help to reduce all these matter and reduce all the accident and cases happen on road. Okay, last but not least, the conclusion. In conclusion, traffic management play a huge role to ensure traffic smooth, efficient, and mostly conducive. As a responsible engineer, we need to provide numerous solutions and do our best for our community and beloved country, which is Malaysia. So I hope our new engineers, the new generation, the youth, can help bring all the spirit and love during our duty and carry this for the all long journey. So, and I have a quote to share, which is we must always remember, which is scientists dream about going a very great and grand thing. The engineer do them. So that's all from us. Thank you.